Upon completion of this tutorial, the learner should be able to describe the process of packaging files in InDesign, demonstrate using the package feature in InDesign, and assess the outcome of packaging files for transfer or archiving. Adobe InDesign is the industry standard software for package layout and can be used to create interactive PDFs, forms, and web assets. It's important to know how to collect or package your InDesign documents for archiving and sharing your designs. There are several ways to ensure your artwork remains attached to an InDesign document. This short tutorial covers the packaging feature in order to collect placed files and fonts that are not from Adobe Type. First, let's place a file in an InDesign document. Navigate to File, Place, then navigate to the location of the file you wish to place in the InDesign document. When the loaded graphic icon appears, we see it here enclosed in a circle, click on the location in the layout where you would like to place the graphic. You can move or reposition the graphic later if you prefer. Once the file has been placed, open the Links panel. If the Links panel is not open, navigate to Window, Links to make the panel visible. The Links panel will display graphics that have been placed in the InDesign document, along with a snapshot of the file's information. When the document is ready to be archived or handed off to another user, save the document, then navigate to File, Package. If you haven't saved the document, InDesign will display a prompt to do so. Next, you will see a window that gives a quick overview of the InDesign document and the files and fonts used to create it. Select the options on the left of the window to see the summary, fonts, links, and so on. This window may help identify missing files or fonts so that they may be replaced before collecting your artwork. If you notice things that need to be corrected at this stage, select Cancel. Make the alterations, then return to File, Package, and continue. You may also select Report to generate a text file that contains information in the InDesign document such as the package date, creation date, and summary. Once you have established that everything is in order and there are no missing files or fonts, select Package at the bottom right in the window. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to select the location of your packaged files and select a variety of options for the files you are collecting. For instance, you may choose Copy Fonts except activated from Adobe Fonts and non-Adobe CJK fonts. Here are a couple of quick side notes about fonts. When you package files in InDesign, Adobe fonts are not collected because they are part of the Creative Cloud subscription. Any user with that subscription will have access to those fonts. Secondly, if you're wondering what non-CJK fonts are, that stands for Chinese, Japanese, and Korean fonts. Let's quickly go through the options available when packaging. Copy fonts. As the name implies, selecting this option will collect any fonts you have downloaded to your system, that you have purchased, or that are available on websites such as 1001fonts.com. Licensing restrictions apply to all fonts. Exercise caution when collecting fonts to make sure you are in compliance with the EULA or the End User Licensing Agreement. Copy linked graphics. Selecting this option allows you to copy all graphics placed in the InDesign document. Update graphic links and package. Selecting this option allows you to make sure the most up-to-date version of your links are included. For example, if you change the color of an Adobe Illustrator graphic that is placed in the InDesign document, that link will automatically be collected for output. Use document hyphenation exceptions only. If you have taken great pains to style your type within the document, for example, you have a name or a word that you do not want to appear hyphenated in the text, this will preserve those settings. Include fonts and links from hidden and non-printing content. When you select this option, any fonts used in text or any graphics placed outside of the document area will be packaged. For example, if you have placed an optional graphic to the side of the layout on the artboard, that will be included in the files packaged. Include IDML. In the event you are working with a newer version of InDesign than the printer or person who will be using your packaged files, select this option. IDML stands for InDesign Markup Language, and this format provides a legacy file of sorts, which may be opened in older versions of InDesign. Include PDF Print. Select this option and any PDF presets to automatically generate a PDF to accompany your packaged files. After you have selected all the options needed, select the folder where you would like to collect the files or select New Folder in the bottom left of the dialog box and the desired location for your files. Then select Package at the bottom right of the dialog box. Don't be alarmed if a warning pops up. This is a reminder to comply with the licensing agreement for copying font software. As Wake Tech students, we know you will take care to follow any licensing agreements. If you have a question about such agreements, ask a faculty member or someone in the ILC to help determine if you are in compliance. After verifying or acknowledging that you are in compliance with the use of the fonts in your InDesign document, select OK in the bottom right of this dialog box. InDesign will assemble all needed files into the folder in the location you have selected. Contained within this folder are additional folders for document fonts, links, along with the InDesign document and the IDML file, PDF document, and the TXT file, if you have selected those options for packaging. That's how to properly package files in InDesign. To quickly recap, navigate to File, Package, select Package from the Package dialog box, then select the items in the check boxes that you would like to collect for packaging. Select the location for these items, select Package, then double-check your files in their final destination folder. Thanks for watching.